In this tutorial, we will show you how to convert PDF to Word online for free with CleverPDF.com. Please go to CleverPDF.com, select PDF to Word on the homepage. Click Choose File button to select the PDF file you need to convert. The file will be uploaded instantly. Or we can simply drag and drop a PDF to the file area. In the output setting, you can choose docx or doc. Click on the Start Conversion button. The file will be processed in the server immediately. The conversion is very fast. Normally, it takes only a few seconds to convert PDF to other formats. After conversion, you can click on the Download button to download the output file instantly. If you click on the Trash button, the files will be removed from the server. If you don't delete the file manually, the files will be removed from the server automatically after 30 minutes. Let's check the output file. Now you can easily edit the PDF content in a Word document. Many other free PDF tools are available. You can convert PDF to other formats, create PDF from Office and images, merge or split PDF, compress PDF, and more. And it's translated into 16 languages. Hope you enjoy using CleverPDF for your daily PDF tasks.